Today I am going to record the fifth question of the blind articles. We have already solved the four questions of the array, and here it is the fifth questions. So finding the maximum sum of the sub array. So how it is possible? So like um, here you can see the sub array. You are getting like 1 minus 3. So it is a continuous, but minus 2 1 4 is not continuous. So it should be considered, it should not be. So how it is possible? So like you have to define here a sum that would be 0 and iterate 2 times. So like you have to define 2 pointers. So how it is possible? So like first of all we have to write the array. So like minus 2 1 minus 3 4 minus 1 2 1 minus 4 5. Okay, so like you have to define first pointer here and second pointer would be like here, and you are moving the second pointer, then after that you are again moving the first pointer. So how it is possible? So like for I in range sums, and for j in range sums. So whatever the sum you are getting, so you should sum the numbers from I to j and calculating whichever the maximum sum, return back. But this is the not optimal solution. You can see here time complexity is big O n square. Space complexity, we are not defining any extra array, so that is O1, big O1. Going to the next solution. So next solution would be to iterate only one times. So like first of all you have to go to the second one, and if you are getting less than 0, so like here minus 1, and then you are getting minus 1, so it is not considerable before that any sub array, so it should be removed, and then moving to the forward you are again getting minus 2. So again you have to cancel out all the array and move to the next one, and then you are getting 3, after that 5 you will get, and then 6, and you are going to the then minus 5 1, you are getting only 1 after that adding that. So here you will get 1 5 and sum, and throughout this iteration 6 is the maximum number you are getting, so you should return that one. And this approach will help you, just because of if you are considering minus thing and moving forward, it will give you the appropriate array which have contributing to the positive sides more, but at least contributing very less at side of negative side. So moving forward So let's how it is possible. So it is possible, so like you are defining two at, so maximum sum would be array first and current sum would be 0, iterating in 5 in array. If current sum less than 0, so current sum need to be 0. And how current sum you have to calculate? Current sum add to the whichever the next array and calculate the maximum sum. So maximum sum, how it is possible? So maximum sum it will be possible like current sum and then maximum sum. So if we are getting this maximum sum, so it will replace here the next element positive side. If you are getting the negative one, so here you have added, and if you are getting negative one, so it should be made it 0 and add next element. If you are adding 0, that means you are neglecting all the before that negative elements, and return it whichever the maximum sum. So this is the simplest way. So how it is possible? Here you can see the time complexity. Time complexity would be, that is when only space complexity value. So let's move in the coding part and see how it is getting coded. To calculate the maximum sum, so maximum sum array, how it is possible? So like maximum sub array, define it here. So it would be the first element firstly consider used, and then you have to calculate the current sum. Let's it would be 0, and then move iterate, so it would be okay. And if you are getting the current sum less than 0, you have to do it 0. So it means you are neglecting all the before that element if it is getting negative. So current sum would be calculated like you have to nums I. After that you have also move your array from negative parts to the positive one. So how it is possible? So maximum sub array, move max, and then we are going to this point, and again you have restart here and return whichever you are getting. Let's run it. So it has been accepted. It was expected 6, and we are also getting, that's okay. So submitted solution. Okay.